Good morning, guys. Welcome to another episode of the Cuban Gardener. Today I'll be making a quick video on how to re-amend your soil. In my case, the last time I went to the store to buy bags of soil, topsoil, whatever you get, was probably almost 2 years ago. I just keep reusing it. Obviously, I have compost. I do my own compost and all that, so it helps. Twice a year, you have to re-amend the soil, depending on the crop that you have. So let's get to it. Alright, so here I have a pile of different things here. So this soil, this old soil, was here in this container. It has some peppers in there. Now, what I usually do, or if you're gonna grow in containers dry out very quickly depending on the crop that you have. So when you have containers, you need to have good soil, draining soil, and something that holds a lot of moisture. And for that, this is needed. This is peat moss, or you could use cocoa coir and compost. This is my compost here. Okay, so we have here the old soil. Okay, this one has a little bit of I can even reuse this without adding anything to it, and it'll still produce some fruit. But basically, you take your old soil, and you would need peat moss or cocoa coir, and about equal parts. If you have compost, mix it with your peat moss and make it about equal parts compared to the soil amount. I also have some Azomite, rock dust. There's a bunch of minerals in there. This is the fertilizer that I use. It's very cheap. It costs you like $5. And some garden lime. You need lime for the peat moss, because peat moss is very acidic. So the lime neutralizes the pH a little bit. And also, if you're planting tomatoes or peppers, you need lime, because this is needed if you don't want your peppers or tomatoes to go with the end rot, bottom end rot. Okay, so let's mix this up. If you have a shovel, it's better. Next step, add a handful of lime. A handful of your organic fertilizer. A handful of rock dust. And mix. there we have it. That's it. Pretty simple.